and I'll get you your cookie.
Stacey Kelso often buys PC Organic baby food pouches for her youngest child, Beau. But today she went back to the store and returned all of it because of Loblaw's countrywide recall.
It makes me a little nervous because I did choose them because they had never had any issues before.
The problem, Loblaw says, is too much water in the pouch, which can allow bacteria to grow and could cause botulism, a rare but serious sickness that affects the nervous system and can cause paralysis, even death.
I originally was a little worried because we did feed him all the food that was recalled.
The Canadian Food Inspection Agency says there have been reported illnesses that may be linked to the recalled products and advises parents to call their doctors if they think their babies are sick. But Loblaw says there have actually been no confirmed illnesses. Still, in a statement, Loblaw did say while the issue relates to a very small subset of products no longer available for sale, in the interest of customer trust, President's Choice welcomes anyone with uncertainty about this product to return it for a full refund.
Every baby can have organics.
PC Organics baby food pouches are sold in many grocery chains across the country, including Superstore, No Frills, and Shoppers Drug Mart. Experts say a full recall will inevitably push parents to other brands, but perhaps not for long.
If you show people that you're putting people ahead of the profits, I think this will be just a minor blip. But if they don't do that, and if they're not transparent, especially around food, this is something that we take very, very personally, then this could come back to haunt them.
Kelso says she would consider buying Loblaw's baby food again in the future, but in the meantime,
We'll just stick with the homemade food for now.
While this large-scale recall will no doubt cost Loblaw in the short term, pulling a product and fast is likely worth it when the potential consequences of not doing so for its customers and for its brand could be devastating. Jacqueline Hansen, CBC News, Toronto.